Welcome to this tutorial on SAP Business One user settings. In this video, you will learn how to configure your personal account so that SAP Business One fits the way you work. We will walk through how to access your personal settings, how to adjust language and format options, how to define useful default values for your daily work, and how to collaborate with your IT manager to get the best out of the system. Let's get started. Let's start with a quick overview of personal account settings. When you log into SAP Business One for the first time, you should always review and adjust your user profile. This includes your user code, your full name, and your email address. These details are important because they are used in documents, audit trails, and notifications. Most of this basic information is created and maintained by your IT manager or system administrator, but it is a good idea to check that everything is correct, especially your email address, because it can be used for alerts and other system messages. To open your personal settings, start from the main SAP Business One web client screen. In the top bar, you can click on the right side on your credentials or profile image to open the context menu. Select Settings from the menu. Check your name and your email address if they are correct to be notified correctly, and everything on the documents will be generated correctly. Next, we'll have a look at the display options, and select your preferred design for your display to feel comfortable with. For this, select the option Appearance on the left menu. SAP Business One offers a variety of themes, some of which feature high contrast to improve readability even in low light conditions. To select a design, simply click on the one you want. When you click Save, the settings menu closes and the new design loads immediately. If you want to try other designs, you'll need to open the settings menu again and navigate to the Appearance section. Next, let's look at your home page layout. For accessing this settings, press Home Page on the left menu. You can now select between the default home page. Show all content. That means that you can scroll down and find all tiles and all the options as a one-pager layout to make sure all the required information are visible on one page. On the other hand, you can select Show one group at a time. This gives you less content per page, but you have to navigate between the different pages to see all tiles. Next, we want to select your regional and language settings. For this, simply press Language and Region on the side menu. First, let's look at language options. SAP Business One can support multiple languages, and if your company has them installed, you can choose which language you prefer for the user interface. Just select your preferred language on the drop-down menu. This language setting only changes how SAP Business One looks for you. This has no impact on the documents or any other process. When you save this setting and close the settings menu, you'll be asked to re-log in to finalize the language change. You can also configure the date format so that they match your local standards. For example, whether you want day, month, year, or month, day, year is shown for you. You can also select between the 24 hours format and the 12 hours format, including AM and PM on your pages. Finally, click Save to apply your settings. Congratulations! You now know how to configure your personal user settings in SAP Business One. These small adjustments will make your daily work more comfortable and more efficient on the system. In the next video series, you will learn how to customize your dashboard tiles, how to manage and personalize tables, and how to filter effectively for your own tasks. By the end, you will be able to create your own tiles so you can complete your work faster and with fewer mistakes. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your colleagues, And don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content, tips and tricks about working with SAP Business One in the future.